Are you in the market for a new mechanical keyboard for Mac? If you're a Mac user, you'll want to check out the best mechanical keyboard for Macs. There are a few different factors to consider when choosing a mechanical keyboard, and we'll help you find the perfect one for your needs. So let's get started with the list. List number 1, Razer BlackWidow V3 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Razer BlackWidow V3 features a full-color illuminated diode layout and double-shot keycaps, the most durable on the market. The Razer Chroma customizable system allows you to synchronize the lighting color with your gear from 30-plus partners. With up to 2,000 hours of operation, it's designed for years of gaming immersion. The Razer Green Switch technology provides a satisfying clicky sound with 50 G of actuation force, ideal for typing and gaming requiring the highest accuracy. Every detail was meticulously engineered to fuel your gaming experience, from the soft to stress finish knobs on each keycap to the unique rubberized FX glow strip under each F-Series keycap, making every action and game easier than ever before. Since its inception, the Tactile mechanical switches along with the Razer Naga mouse have been a huge statement piece in gaming-centric tournaments and competitions. With a durable OLED display, multi-function digital dial on the fly macro recording, custom key lighting, and more, the BlackWidow V3 has everything you need in a keyboard to dominate your competition. List number 2, Basaltech Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with Rainbow LED Backlit. The Cherry Blue key switch is the all-purpose replacement for the popular Cherry, Gator, or Kyle. The RGB mechanical gaming keyboard features a smooth, silent typing experience with tactile feedback and an anti-ghosting feature for multi-key inputs. Cherry MX Blue mechanical key switches are engineered to provide fast, linear movement with a light actuation force of 45 V. With that in mind, rare events like accidental double taps are less likely to happen with faster response times and tactile feedback from this keyboard. Mechanical keyboard keys provide comfort typing. This is a full-size keyboard with numpad and all 104 keys non-conflict. Allows multiple keys to work simultaneously with high speed. Let you enjoy high-grade games with fast response. 12 easy-to-reach multimedia keys. The Cherry Blue equivalent mechanical gaming keyboard uses and key rollover technology and offers the perfect combination of tactile feedback, ultra-fast response, and durability. List number 3, Havit Mechanical Keyboard Wired 89 Keys. Havit RGB rubberized black mechanical keyboard with Kyle Blue. This tiny amplified TV listening device features a pretentive listening mode, which allows to hear every footstep on the muted TV with clear voice amplification. Use in homes, offices, or outdoors for indoor use only. Lightweight and slim, one size fits all. Havit Gaming Keyboard, a gaming keyboard designed specifically for gamers by Havit. Not only in backlit feature, but Havit Gaming Keyboard also has a beautiful design. With the embedded LED light, you can have better visual effects when you play in game. In addition, there are 11 multimedia hotkeys involved to let your convenient control on PC computer-based keycaps. And red switch mechanical switches bring you great tactile feedback while playing games or working. Havit Gaming Keyboard is an excellent choice. The Havit keyboard is excellent for both gamers and PC power users. The red mechanical keyboard is constructed with sturdy, rugged zinc alloy and ABS construction. Select a suitable key switch to meet your different needs and preferences. 4 rubber feet keep the board from sliding around on the desk, perfect for playing games or typing reports. List number 4, DAS Keyboard 4 Professional Wired Mechanical Keyboard. The DAS Keyboard 4 is perfect for any writing, gaming, or music application with 4960 session adjustments. The DAS Keyboard 4's low-profile modern design will fit flawlessly with 6 different environments, be it at the office, studio, or at home. The DAS Keyboard Professional Model S is a high-quality, German-engineered mechanical keyboard for the professional and avant-garde typist. This model has a standard US 104 key layout with big feet stabilizers, white LED, USB connection, and N-key rollover. The DAS Keyboard 4 was designed with an impressive attention to detail and thoughtful human engineering. From the initial idea to every fine detail when crafting this machine, the experience we deliver to our customers is what drives our team. The DAS Keyboard 4 is the only keyboard with a magnetic cushioned lower gamer frame to provide protection, stability, and give the stylish look. Lower the frame around your legs for a seamless transition from typing positions to your favorite gaming posture. List number 5, Logitech Craft Advanced Wireless Keyboard. Logitech Craft is a unique wireless Bluetooth keyboard with a crown wheel to make it easy to get stuff done. Logitech Craft features RGB illumination, shift lock key, and touch control gesture, dedicated keys to control screen brightness of your device, and even more. It can pair with via NFC, mobile switch for Android, connect through Logitech option software, and such functions. Designed for performance, Craft brings advanced Logitech engineering to make typing easier, faster, and more comfortable over a longer period of time. Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless technology provides a reliable connection wherever you work in the office or at home or take with you on the go. It also features advanced Lightwave wireless, the Logitech Craft Advanced Wireless Keyboard with creative input dial, and Backlit keys is a wireless keyboard that is perfect while writing and scrolling on computer screens. It includes the backlighting, which enables you to use it in dimly lit conditions. Also, due to advanced 2.4 GHz radio frequency technology, stable connectivity may be easily realized regardless of the room condition that various electronics may cause interference such as cell phone.